Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Valorant error code VAN79. So while playing the Valorant game and you encounter the Valorant error code VAN79, then quit the Valorant game. And then for the first method is we are going to completely close the Valorant in the task manager. So right click at your start button and then here you need to look for task manager and click on that. Maximize the task manager window. And from here we need to look for the Riot client or the Valorant. So as you can see we have the Riot client and the Valorant game right here in the list of processes. Now what we are going to do is just simply make a right click and then select end task. Right click and then select end task. Now after that, close the task manager window, then also click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. And then if you can find Riot Client or Valorant right here, just simply quit it. And after that, launch the Valorant game. So this will open the game for you. Then here, you just need to simply sign in with your account and then continue enjoying the game. Then for the next method is we also need to check the VGC service if this is running. So in the Windows search bar right here, type services. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the services window, we need to scroll down to letter V section to look for the VGC service. So here it is, the VGC service. Now make a right click and then select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic, and service status. If this is not yet running, then you have to click on start, and if this is already running, click on stop. Click on start again to restart the service. Then you have to click on apply and then OK, and then close the services window and then try to see if the problem has been fixed after that. For the next method, we need to locate the Valorant desktop icon. Make a right click and then you have to simply click on show more options, then click on properties. Now here in the Valorant properties, we have the general tab, shortcut tab, compatibility tab, and the digital signatures tab. Now you have to click on the third tab, the compatibility tab. And here you'll find these options. Disable full screen optimizations, check that. Run this program as an administrator, check that. Then click on apply and then OK. And then launch the Valorant game. And we also need to make sure that the Windows is updated. So simply click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So this will not only check for updates, but this will also download and install the latest updates for your Windows. Now once done, you have to wait for this in your case. And once this is done, you just have to close this. Then we also need to right click at the start button and here click settings. In the options on the left pane, you have to click on network and internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. Click on that. Then under more settings, you'll find network reset. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So once you click on reset now, you have to click on yes and your PC will be restarted after that, and make sure to remember your Wi-Fi password. So you need to reconnect into your Wi-Fi or Ethernet and then continue enjoying the game. Then we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So type cmd in the Windows search bar. On the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. Then here, just type these commands. NTSH space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command, IP config /flush DNS, hit enter, type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, continue enjoying the game. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.